Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how we can remove brackets from some other algebraic expressions. Let's jump straight into it. Here's a couple more examples of how we can remove brackets. With this first example, it's quite a common scenario, but it's written in a way that's unusual. Normally we would have the 2 on the other side of the brackets. But since it doesn't matter which order we multiply in, we can write it in the opposite order. So we would have 2 outside of the brackets x plus 3. From here, it's pretty easy. It's 2 times the first part of the bracket, which is x, will give us 2x, and then 2 times the second part of the brackets, which is positive 3, which will give us plus 6. And that's our final answer for the first one, 2x plus 6. For the second one, we're going to do 2 times the first part of the brackets, so 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 2 times the second part of the brackets. So 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. Let's just take a moment to look at what we've done here. So we had 2 multiplied by everything inside the brackets, which was 3 and 2x. So we had 2 times 3, and 2 times 2x, which gave us a total of 6 plus 4x. Hope that made sense. Let me know if there's any questions in the comments.